we're going to talk a little bit about grinding efficiency with the needle grinder. Royal Master reinvented a decades-old process of needle grinding by taking a fresh approach with modern technology. We did this by using robotics as the primary system of moving the needles. So when we use robotics as a primary system of moving needles from process to process, we can automatically load, unload your needles automatically. We also can incorporate post-processing such as grit blasting, inspection, buffing, and others as part of the machine cycle. The goal of the needle grinder is to limit the operator's interaction with the grinding process. So essentially, the robot and the machine does all the different post-processes, automatically loads, and presents a finished needle at the end of the grind. It is efficient and operator-free. So prior to the Royal Master needle grinding system, all the needle grinding processes require the operator to continuously load parts into a fixture. If you're grinding with a conventional abrasive process or ECG process, this is a common requirement for both systems. The Royal Master needle grinding system offers multiple methods of loading: a semi-automatic, fully automatic, or of course manual that we're showing here. So if I was loading a needle, the operator would simply come up, put the needle in the back, put it out to the front to the stop and the support, do that 10 times, and off you go. The automatic process is a hopper feeder that's located on this side of the machine, and will automatically load the end effector as the end effector comes over and docks in the loader. A semi-automatic feeder is the operator pre-stages the needles, the end effector comes over and docks, and the operator will essentially push the needles into the collet up to the stop. If you're grinding parts that have molded features to them that need to be oriented, we custom design the collet either with a collet stop or an insert which orients those features. Royal Master uses a 16-inch wide grinding wheel, so we can put a 20-station end effector on the end of the robot. With the 20-station end effector, you can grind a typical trocar needle in one needle every 3 seconds. Adding on efficiencies of automatic loading, post-processing, it's a perfect system to have highly efficient, high-production needles. However, if you want to do prototype needles, you can also do that. The collets are very easy to change in and out. You can stack different kinds of grinding wheels on there for different materials. It really all depends on what you're looking to do. As we investigated building a needle grinder, we learned by talking to different customers that make needles, everybody has a little different post-process system. Some people grit blast, some people will buff, some people want to inspect. We've got a lot of room and a lot of volume inside the system to put as many different post-processes as you'd like. This particular system here has the grit blaster. So when the robot comes over to the grit blaster, we have 10 grit blasting nozzles, and the robot will come over, engage, will grit blast, and the robot can articulate itself as well as rotate the end effector, so we can mimic any current hand motion that's being done now in a manual grit blasting process. And of course, we use Comco as the grit blaster. And you can see the Royal Master needle grinding system sits in a very compact footprint. It's 48 inches wide by 72 inches long, and it takes up little space, and it's very efficient and very, very compact in your factory. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the efficiency of the Royal Master needle grinder. And if you'd like to learn more, please visit some of our other videos. Thank you.